At my pace. Properly.
What was that? I'm filming it.
You're filming it?
Yep. iPhone's got pretty good photography. That's pretty good. Get around its side because you can probably see it a bit better. Oh, okay.
Is that one? Fucking unreal. Trust him to do it.
Yeah. Fuck. That ground is just...
Slop?
It is sloppy as. He's hit gravel. Is that gravel? Gravel. Okay.
Crush rock.
Huh? Crush.
Crush rock.
So there's nothing there?
No.
There's nothing under there?
No. There's crushed rock the whole way through, about 150 down.
Oh, okay.
Basically building a ramp, are you?
Looks like it. I'd say so.
Yeah,
Wonder how often this happens. That's what I was thinking. Huh? I'm not doing anything, so...
Are you the floater, are you?
Yeah. Which sucks, because other people have had a lot more time than me.
Yeah, but then tomorrow will be someone else.
Yeah, but I had to wait twice yesterday. I only got one shot. Yeah. Go, Marsha. Have you
I
done?
wasn't allowed to pick up yesterday.
Weren't you?
No, all
Why?
they made me do was fix all this area up because it was all like this from the last class. So all I got to do was flatten it out and level it. I
Okay.
didn't get to do any picking up and dumping. And...
Oh, you'll probably next time. Because that's what he made me do the 4-1 and then do the hit and run. I wish I got that on film. Go do it again. Jesus Christ.
We have to ticket that metal on metal contact this then?
I would be a smart ass right now if I was you. Don't do it. You're going to have to probably fill this back in.
Hey?
You'll probably have to fill it back in.
Joy.
Are you supposed to turn it off?
Bloody hell.
Jesus. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, he's right out, yeah.